Yeah.
Yes, please.
Yeah. Uh, I actually don't know where to start from.
Okay.
I'm so thankful. I really see people are measuring their blood pressure, they are checking their diabetes. But ever since I met you, I've just forgotten to measure anything. I just don't feel a strange kind of confidence has come. I can't express what I have got. You know, Neha, I have always, it's going to be 40 years since I got married. I have always had a 24 hours person, बच्चा कोई मेरे पास हमेशा होता था. But
Okay.
now, for last a few months, I didn't have anyone, and I was cribbing a lot. I was unable to do, but nobody was available. But I was thinking, how will I, my children would always make fun of me. Mommy, only you two people are there, you and dad. Why do you need a 24-hour person? Because I have had the habit. और मुझे लगता था नहीं, I can't move. मैंने अब मुझसे काम नहीं होता, अब मुझसे नहीं. But ever since I met you, and let me tell you, all the things which you have told us, perhaps 67 की एज तक आते आते हमको सब पता होता है,
हाँ.
almost.
Yes.
But we don't
Hmm.
follow religiously. And frankly, if I tell you, perhaps what is the requirement, I may not be following it to matlab, all the things to that much level, what is required. But still, I am becoming younger day by day.
Oh,
I,
wow.
yeah,
Very
and
nice.
people have started complimenting. And आज मेरे मालिश वाली lady comes in the afternoon, and she
Okay.
tells me, Auntie, whenever I see you, you are working, working, and I don't want any 24 hours ka helper. I'm so
Hmm.
happy. I know it's my house, and by the grace of God, it is a big house. It's a 5 bedroom house. तो मुझे लगता था, no, I cannot manage. I cannot manage. But now I don't want anyone. मैं पूरा दिन काम करके भी थकती ही नहीं हूँ. आई एम स्टिल
Wow.
फ्रेश. तो मुझे इतना अच्छा लगता है. आई एम फॉन्ड ऑफ चेंजिंग माई क्लोथ्स ट्वाइस अ डे. आई वॉज सो बिटवीन मतलब ये ऑल दीज डेज आई हैड बिकम सो डल. मुझे लगता था नो, आई डोंट वांट टू डू एनीथिंग. आई डोंट वांट टू डू. और मुझे लगता है ना, आई हैव नो एनर्जी टू मैनेज. कुछ भी करके आप मेरे को 24 आवर्स का कोई ला के दीजिए. बट सिंस देर वॉज नो बडी अवेलेबल, एंड नाउ आई एम सो हैप्पी वर्किंग फॉर माई हाउस. एंड कभी टाइम मिलेगा तो आराम से बताऊंगी. आई हैव ऑल्सो डन मेनी
बिल्कुल.
थिंग्स इन लाइफ. आई हैव वर्कड एज ए फैकल्टी फॉर आइल्स टॉफेल. आई बीन वर्किंग फॉर या इन द इंस्टीट्यूट्स, and for cookery also I have won many awards, many things.
We have a hidden gem here.
No, 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 nothing like that. But
Yeah.
I tell you कि अभी बीच का कुछ टाइम ऐसा निकला कि आई हैड जस्ट लॉस्ट होप्स. आई सेड नाउ आई एम सो ओल्ड कि नहीं. पर अभी मुझे लगता है नो, आई वाज नेवर ओल्ड, एंड आई एम नॉट गेटिंग, आई एम गेटिंग यंगर डे बाय डे. तो
Yes.
Very nice.
या
Very good.
या
Very
Very
good,
good.
and
Auntie.
religiously मैं अपने we have got four neighbors. We are all, including me, we are four. तो
Okay.
three of them I caught, और रोज उनको बुला के, they are also almost my age. I make them do pranayam so that then I also do it twice. तो
Along with them.
हाँ,
Okay.
yeah, they may not be able to do follow everything, but I share all the good things with them, and it's giving me so much immense happiness. And the
Wow.
credit for all these things I give to darling Neha.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank you.
really.
Yeah,
Renu ji,
Neha
do
ji,
not give
here
me
you want
credit.
Yes, 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 yes.
Neha,
My grandson is in standard 8th. So
Okay.
वो इंग्लिश तो सिर्फ और सिर्फ मेरे से ही पढ़ता है. एंड ही इज क्वाइट एट अ गुड लेवल. तो अभी वो पिछले दिनों में माय डॉटर वाज आफ्टर मी, मम्मी यू विल हैव टू कम, ही हैज हिज एग्जाम्स. आई सेड नो, नो, आई नाउ आई कैन नॉट. बस अब
Okay.
बहुत हो गया. एंड नाउ लाइक टुमारो ऑल्सो ही हैज हिज एग्जाम. कैन यू बिलीव, ऑनलाइन में उसको पूरा पढ़ाती हूँ. ऑल हिज उसके जो फ्रेंड्स हैं, दे ऑल से Yeah, your nanny teaches one thing in such a manner that it gets registered, and we never forget that. How does she teach? And so, all this, I have regained. I was almost on the verge of losing all these things. I had left hopes. मुझे लगता था, no, I'm not. अभी मुझे ऐसा लगता है, all the smallest, the biggest jobs I will do only after meeting you, only after following
Wow.
all these small things. And I wonder, I knew all these before also. Why couldn't I
Hmm.
follow? But that is what makes a difference with a guide, proper
Yeah.
guide. I really feel blessed and thank of my Almighty day in and day out for getting in touch with you. So I would really suggest everybody to have a mentor like you. Neha, you really deserve kudos for that. Thank you so much. Thank
Thank you. Thank you so much, Renuji. I guess hearing you, I'm also having some tears in my eyes. You are my mother sage, no
Yes, yes,
doubt.
yes, 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 yes.
So,
Definitely. All my blessings for you. And I still feel I'm not following the things so religiously as I should have been. But still, I'm doing something what I was not doing. I knew everything. I already knew all the things, all the points you told us. Perhaps by this age, you come across all the ups and downs of life and
true.
everything. And otherwise, I should not miss mentioning this thing, that I really feel I'm a blessed person on this earth to be blessed with everything best, including you. So
Thank
you are
you.
lacking, so I got you also. Thank you so
I
much.
guess everyone should unmute and say congratulations to
Congratulations,
Renuji.
Renu ji. Congratulations.
Thank you
Congratulations.
so much.
Congratulations,
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 and
Thank you so
congratulations.
much. Thank you.
Great. I
And
think
and
you.
and not only Neha, I'm thankful to each member. मैंने रेखा से तो एक बार बात भी करी
Very
थी
proud of you.
initially when I had joined. So she also motivated me कि we have joined a good program. But now that I have my own first hand results, so मैंने बताया ना, ना तो मैं अभी डायबिटीज देखती हूँ, ना मैं ब्लड प्रेशर, because I know it's okay. Everything
It's
is
okay.
good.
Right,
Yes.
right,
So
right.
thank you,
One.
Neha. Thank you so much.
Wonderful. You inspired everyone here and you inspired me also that, ki whatever mission I have, whatever vision I have, I am going to go forward. I'm not
It
going
is
to
a
give up.
big, it is a big thing in a person's life at our age. We need no doubt. We have educated very smart children. Neha. I'm blessed. I have a beautiful daughter and a beautiful daughter-in-law.
Wow.
My daughter-in-law is my breath, you can say. But they are all busy in their lives. They don't have time for all
Yeah.
these things. So सबके रूप में आप मिल गए, बेटी भी और बहू भी, or whatever relation you want to say. So I really am very thankful. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Renuji. And I hope this journey will give you much more results and you will get something breakthrough. And never ever think that, as you mentioned, you're not aging, you're becoming younger. Age is just
Yeah.
a number. We are
That's my
energy,
that's my
right?
original
So,
feeling from within. Nobody has to
wow.
tell me. और जो आजू बाजू के बहुएं और वो सब है, वो बोलते आंटी आपको देख के हमको शर्म आती है, यू आर सो एक्टिव.
Great, great, great.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much, Renuji. You have any question, Renuji? You want to
नो
ask
बस थैंक यू
anything?
सो मच. पहले मुझे बहुत सब डाउट्स रहते थे, कैसा होगा, क्या होगा. अब मैंने बताया ना, मैं करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ. आई
हाँ.
ट्राई माई लेवल बेस्ट. टुमारो ओनली आई हैव माई फ्रेंड्स फ्रॉम अमेरिका, दे आर कमिंग. टुमारो onwards आई विल बी बिजी, बट आई एम श्योर आई विल continue with whatever I can do.
Sure, sure.
Okay.
No worries,
Thank
Renuji.
you.
Anuji, I'm
Thank
feeling
you so
so
much.
happy by listening your words.
Thank you so much, dear. Thank you
Literally,
so
from
much.
the deep bottom of my literally, I'm so feeling so happy.
And these are all my own heartfelt words, dear. I told you now, I'm not checking any of my parameters, but I'm feeling healthy. I'm feeling happy. My husband is, सबसे बड़ी बात 5 बजे उठना. I think after ages, and nobody has to wake me up. Like Rekha said, okay, मैंने alarm लगाया हुआ है, but I don't require it now anymore.
Wow.
So that's a big
Great.
change, big achievement in my life. Thank you. All because of
Won-
Neha.
Alarm requires
Wonderful,
you to
wonderful.
close it now.
Yeah.
Renuji, wake up, please close me, otherwise I'll ring.
No, I'm happy because I'm not going to keep it up to me only. My children, my grandchildren, they will all inherit all these good things from me.
Right,
Absolutely.
right.
So I'll be
Absolutely.
passing to them also. So thank you, Megha.
Renuji,
Thanks.
before we end a conversation with you, I'll just share one small thing. I have dived very deep into the laws of karma. Okay, I study them, I live by them. It's like crazy, and I'm designing something for my diamond members also on karma. So one thing I would like to share not only with you but everyone here is that um, you are when you leave as in this as a person from here, you're going to take your emotional experiences with you
Yes.
more than anything else. Your emotional experiences, you're going to take that with you, right? So I think this is the best time that you have joined and you are able to do these things, and I'm so happy. Thank you so much. You inspired
Thank
me.
you, dear. Thank
Thank
you.
you.